Say hi to Linda.
Hi, Linda.
Say, this is me getting out of the pool.
Getting out the pool.
Okay, get out, honey.
Here.
Show them how you do it.
Good job. There. One.
I know how to sit down.
Okay.
You watch where you're going. Don't worry about this, honey.
Two.
You need to take one more step before you sit down.
Three. Good. There you go.
You do it.
Three.
There, see, you sat down.
Hold on to the rails.
You watch where you're going. Don't worry about the camera. Worry about Kathy.
Whoa. Whoa. Hey,
Come on, finger toes.
come on. Oh, get up.
They usually take this long. You're almost there. Good.
And this one's the big one
Help me.
because it's a little higher with those things on the bottom.
There she goes. And she's there. Yay.
Shoo.
Yay, Kathy!
Shoo. Shoo.
Shake it off like a dog. Just walk.
Ow.
Walk over here and get it. You can do it. You walk over here all the time,
See
honey.
all the mud, though. Here. There.
Ta-da! Now look, tell everybody hi, and you love
Hi.
them.
Love you.
Oh, I didn't have it on. You're going to have to do it again.
Love you, Rack. I mean, David and Linda.